Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up bond ETFs using iShares and Fidelity, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by determining your investment goals and risk tolerance. Research the different types of bond ETFs available through iShares and Fidelity. Visit the iShares website to explore their bond ETF offerings. Use the search bar to filter for bond ETFs based on your criteria. Review the fund details, including yield, duration, and expense ratios. Take note of each bond ETF's historical performance and volatility. Next, go to the Fidelity website to compare their bond ETFs. Utilize Fidelity's search tools to find bond ETFs that align with your investment strategies. Examine the fund details and holdings for Fidelity's options as well. Make a list of potential bond ETFs from both iShares and Fidelity that interest you. Open your brokerage account on Fidelity if you haven't done so already. Complete the necessary forms to verify your identity and set up your account. Once your account is active, log in to access the trading platform. Check the available funds listed in your account. Input the ticker symbols of the bond ETFs you've selected. Decide how many shares you'd like to purchase for each ETF. Review your order to ensure all details are correct. Place your order for the bond ETFs you've chosen. After your order is executed, monitor your investments on the Fidelity platform. Consider setting up alerts for price changes or performance updates. Reassess your bond ETF holdings periodically to ensure they align with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.